Is it time to buy or sell Broadcom stock? In this video, we will explore Broadcom in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the first Friday of January in the year 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that might affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions along with deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 6th of December 2024, our system has classified Broadcom as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.04. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of nearly 30% since we initially recommended purchasing Broadcom just 19 days ago. This results in an average return of approximately 1.55% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. The stock currently resides at the center of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is likely. Analyzing the 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 26.27% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 1.92% to positive 41.43%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 49.83% over the coming year, with a potential return between 6.05% and 63.68%. This implies a price range of between $246.62 to $380.64 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Broadcom includes the headline, "Evaluation of Broadcom stock downgraded after the last trading session." The Broadcom stock price experienced a gain of approximately 0.246% on the last trading day, which was a Friday in January of 2025, rising from $231.98 to $232.55. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.27%, with a low of $229 and a high of $236.49. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by approximately 3.99% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased by 7 million shares on the last day, with a total of 24 million shares bought and sold, amounting to around $5.57 billion. It is important to consider that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, potentially serving as an early warning for changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $251.87, while the lowest price was $104.15. Currently, the price stands 7.67%, or $19.32, below the 52-week high of $251.87, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Broadcom, trading under the symbol AVGO, has recently garnered attention as a relatively secure and appealing dividend stock, offering yields that can reach up to 8%. This recognition has the potential to positively influence the stock in the short term, attracting income-focused investors seeking reliable returns amidst a fluctuating market. In another significant update, Broadcom reported an impressive achievement of $51.6 billion in revenue for fiscal year 2024. This remarkable figure has been largely driven by its integration with VMware and an astonishing 220% growth in AI semiconductor revenue. This substantial increase now constitutes 41% of its total revenue, positioning Broadcom as a pivotal player in the evolving technology landscape. The company's ability to adapt and capitalize on investments in artificial intelligence indicates strong long-term growth potential, likely boosting investor confidence and consequently its stock price. Furthermore, the stock has reached a notable milestone, achieving a market valuation of $1 trillion, highlighting its exceptional performance within a robust semiconductor sector. As broader market trends suggest an upward trajectory for the Nasdaq, with analysts forecasting continued expansion driven by its cutting-edge chip technology and networks, AVGO could experience sustained bullish momentum in the future. As the technology sector continues to evolve and artificial intelligence becomes more integrated into various industries, Broadcom's strategic positioning may yield substantial returns for investors in the coming years. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 16th of December, 2024, it was reported that CIC assigned AVGO an outperform rating along with an upgrade action. On Friday, the 13th of December, 2024, Morgan Stanley rated AVGO as overweight while recommending a hold action. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, Bank of America Securities gave AVGO a buy rating and suggested a hold action. On Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald rated AVGO as overweight with a recommendation to hold. Finally, on Monday, the 7th of October, 2024, Jefferies provided AVGO with a buy rating and advised to hold. Analysts have assigned Broadcom stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Broadcom. The Broadcom stock currently presents a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $236.96. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the stock will find support from the long-term average at about $194.89. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, whereas a drop below the long-term average will signal a sell. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite an increase in prices, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Close monitoring of the stock is essential. Some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, December 16, 2024, and so far, the stock has declined by approximately 6.98%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 18 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 24 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Broadcom. Broadcom finds support from accumulated volume at $224.80. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This stock is subject to significant daily fluctuations, and due to a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $7.49 between its high and low, which equates to 3.27%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.40%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Broadcom, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A notably high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.50. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Broadcom. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Broadcom is at 240.23. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, This could serve as a consideration point for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Broadcom encounters its first support level at 224.80. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Broadcom from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 24th of December, 2024, Tanhawk E conducted an insider sale of 45,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1,000th of a dollar. On the same day, Tanhawk E also conducted an insider sale of 130,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1,000th of a dollar. On the 24th of December, 2024, Brazil Mark David conducted an insider sale of 20,168 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1,000th of a dollar. On the 20th of December, 2024, Spears Kirsten M conducted an insider sale of 12,570 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1,000th of a dollar. On the 23rd of December, 2024, Bryant Diane M conducted an insider sale of 15,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1,000th of a dollar. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 6.690. Overall, insiders purchased 1,730,380 shares and sold 1,943,121 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $222.65, reflecting a decline of 4.26%. This stock experiences very significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a heightened level of risk. A sell signal has been indicated by a pivot top identified 12 days ago. Is Broadcom stock a good buy? Broadcom shows several negative signals, suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it should be considered as a hold or accumulate in this position while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate candidate since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 6th of January, we anticipate Broadcom to open up a fraction of a dollar and begin trading at $232.68. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.